If you've ever asked, can you delete all retweets on Twitter? The short answer is no. Not with a built-in one-click button, which is still commonly called Twitter, does not offer an official delete all reposts or retweets feature. But in this video, I'll show you the manual way to remove them one by one, so you can clean up your profile safely and without using risky tools. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick social media tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open X and go to your profile. On your profile page, look for the Posts tab. This is where your activity appears, including your original posts and your reposts. Once you're there, start scrolling through your timeline and find a post that you previously reposted. Reposts can usually be recognized by the repost icon, which looks like two arrows in a loop. When you find one you want to remove, click the repost icon on that post. A small menu will appear with repost options. From that menu, select Undo Repost. As soon as you do that, X will remove that repost from your profile and it will no longer appear as part of your repost activity. Now here's the important part. If you want to delete all retweets, you have to repeat that same process for every single repost on your account. There is no official bulk delete button inside X itself, so the only safe method is to go through your posts manually and undo each repost one at a time. It can take a while if you've reposted a lot, but it is the most reliable way to do it without giving third-party apps access to your account. If your goal is just to make your profile look cleaner, this method works well. You can also focus only on the reposts you no longer want associated with your account instead of trying to remove everything at once. That way, you have full control over what stays and what goes. A quick tip: if you're checking a large number of posts, take your time and be careful not to undo your own original post by mistake. Only the repost will show the repost menu, so double check each item before you click. It's also a good idea to refresh your profile after removing a few reposts just to make sure the changes saved correctly. So to recap, X does not let you delete all retweets automatically. The way to do it is to go to your profile, open the Posts tab, find each repost, click the repost icon and choose Undo Repost. Repeat that for every repost you want to remove. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials just like this. And if you want, I can also show you how to mass unlike posts, clean up your likes, or delete old tweets faster in a future video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.